in the upcoming update 2.4, well, probably not been. The two operators that I think should be prioritised. One is Waterline. They hadn't really got anything since 1.10. Let's look at this. Yeah, this is like the map, and it's not that big. Even the metro bigger now. And that's alone. So that's just like run. So yeah. Waterline needs it extended. Trying to find a map one day, the future map, and I'll say. Let's see. Here. But no, you can't even. No, quick say something. This stuff won't come. But over here, this could possibly come. But let's say this did come, then I would like Rosedale Town, Water Newton, but then turn up, Upper Staplow, Hampton Hargate, turn to Morgantown, so to be. But you can't do Rosedale Village to Rosedale Town. It would be like Essefield or to like Newry, Harbour, Fire, Hampton Hargate, and then Fire, Airport West. And then the area said the previous prediction video. I like to know like Benton and Airport West to set United football goal. But also another possible plan. Maybe don't do it Rayleigh Bay. And the 755 were actually used. Because a no route from Rayleigh Bay currently in game. So this would be a good for new sneak peek. Not new. No, never a sneak peek. But anyways, I'll see you again tomorrow. The plan, or later, for a live stream at 2 p.m. today. 2 p.m. today, I'm live streaming. Order 345 upgraded, made and transferred to Metro.